My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. My eyes are crooked. There we go. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. As you can probably tell by the fancy hairdo and the extra set of eyes, we are here for Mask Monday. The mask I'll be using today is a pumpkin and honey facial mask by Live Green. I have not tried this one before. I'm really excited. It is a brightening formula. I believe I hauled this last Mask Monday. I got like a 5-pack of them from Marshall's. So if you haven't watched that video, I will link it up here. And also I am including one of these in my 850 subscriber giveaway, which I just announced yesterday evening. So if you have not entered that, make sure you check out the link down below in the description so you can get in on that one. It's not huge like the 800 subscriber giveaway was, but it's fun and it's a good one. So let's go ahead and dig into this. Ooh, it's already spraying serum. Smell test, because you know Jen has to smell everything. It's not even pumpkin scented. Shoot. You know what it smells like? It smells like Johnson & Johnson's like shampoo. That's what it smells like. It doesn't stink. It smells fresh and clean, kind of like you're smelling a baby's head. Okay, yeah, so anyways, while I'm putting this mask on, I would just like to say, if you haven't already given this video a thumbs up, if you could do that, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, I am planning to do a giveaway at 900, which will be a big one. And then again at 950, and then a doozy of a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And you guys are so stinking awesome. I really think we're going to be able to do it. I really do. Okay, so that being said, if you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, if you'd consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better, seriously. And to have you, of course, as part of my YouTube family. So this mask is nice. It's short on the chin, though, for some reason. Like, the mouth hole maybe is just a little small. And it doesn't cover as much of my chin as I would like. But, I mean, it covers all the visible parts, so that's okay. All right. I didn't even read the instructions. I did wash my face and tone beforehand. Okay, so this is one that we will leave on for 20 minutes. And then we do have to rinse our skin afterwards. So I'll probably just get a wipe and wipe it off. And we're supposed to have... And then we're supposed to enjoy our newly brightened skin. So, cool. So while we are waiting for this to brighten my skin, which I wish this would stay, I thought I would go through some of my empties with you guys. I probably started this I probably started filling this up just over a month ago. And I didn't really use enough stuff last month to be able to review too much, but it's packed full now. So I figured I'd just clean it out, and then we can start saving up stuff again. So first thing right on top is this Skin Aesthetics Advanced Brightening Sheet Mask with vitamin C and collagen. I did like this one. I did feel like it moisturized my skin and left it brighter afterwards. No complaints, not a strong smell. Just a pleasant face mask. I look like a billy goat, don't I? All right, the next thing we have are these Avatara 2-step Calm Down Nose Pore Mask. It's 2 steps. So this is the first step, and it's just like a pink and white pore strip that you put over your nose. You leave it on for 15 minutes, take it off, and then you put step 2 on there. And this is like a pad that you put over your nose to kind of soothe the skin, because when you do these pore masks, I mean, they really tug and pull. So I love these. I will definitely be using them again. I'm trying to remember where I got them. I think I got them in one of my subscription boxes. Or was it a giveaway? I don't know, but I did like these for sure, and I will definitely be repurchasing. Then I have from the Dollar Tree this hydrating bath soak. It was watermelon and sweet mint. I did like it. It definitely has a good smell, and I got about 2 baths full of bath soap for this one. So definitely worth $1. I wonder if I should put a silicone mask on. Do you think that would hold it in place? Let me grab one. Let's do green to match our frogs. Here we go. Hopefully that'll hold it in place. Don't I look stunning? I'm telling you what. Okay. Oh, here's another face mask. It's from the Dollar Tree again. It was limited edition, yes to tomatoes. And this was a bubbling mask. I think I did a Mask Monday with this one, and it was okay. Nothing impressive, but definitely worth the buck. Definitely. This here is a hair mask. This is the Brazil Nut Oil hair mask, and I got this from Shop Miss A, and it worked really well. It really did. I've noticed, though, since my hair is growing out, I have graduated to the point where I can't get 2 conditioning treatments out of a packet like this. And using all of it all at once is a little bit too much, but I still go ahead and use the entire packet. So I have very long, very thick hair. Well, not very long, but it's getting there. Longer, thicker hair. So I got 1 good conditioning treatment out of this. It left my hair shiny, smooth. It didn't get rid of all the frizz. There was still a little bit, but with my hair, that's hard to do anyways. And it had a really good smell. Really good smell. Let's see, here we go. Okay, these were Dew of the Gods under eye mask. I love them. They were fantastic. They were like a thicker pad, like a gel pad that you put underneath your eyes for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and they worked fantastic. We've got a few more hair masks. I know you guys have seen these. This is a keratin protein hair mask, and then this one is the argan oil hair mask. These are the ones that I get from Walmart. I can't remember what the name of them is, though. What's the brand? I can't read it. Why do I look like I can read it? I don't have my glasses on, but I will put it down at the bottom of the screen. And these were $1.88 a piece, and they work fantastic. Up until recently, again, I could get 2 conditioning treatments out of each packet, but now, because my hair is growing, I can get 1. And these leave my hair soft, wavy, shiny, and smelling fresh for several days. I just did one last night and I can still smell it. Next, I've got this David's Premium Toothpaste, fluoride-free, natural peppermint, and it is whitening, anti-plaque, fresh breath. I mean, it's fine. It wasn't chalky or powdery or anything like that, but it didn't knock my socks off. I don't know that I would necessarily buy it again, but it didn't hurt anything. But I liked using it. Very mild taste. Here's another hair mask. This again is from Shop Miss A. This is the argan oil. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Shop Miss A, but almost everything on their site, unless it's a package of something, sorry, it's coming off, is $1. So I paid $1 for this hair mask. Very thick, very creamy, fantastic smell. The smell for this one and the other one that I got from Shop Miss A don't last quite as long as the ones that I got from Walmart, but I do enjoy using these too. Next, I have another Dollar Tree face mask. This is the Positive Energy face mask. And this has jojoba and aloe in it. And it was a very nice moisturizing mask. Not a strong scent. Definitely cooling, definitely moisturizing, and lots and lots of serum, which I enjoy in a face mask because then I can put it on my neck and down here on my chest and my hands. So I haven't been disappointed with a Dollar Tree face mask yet, seriously. Okay. Oh, here's another eye mask. These are the avocado eye mask. Let me see if I can pull one out. Yeah. So these are kind of like a thick gel eye mask, and they were nice. Moisturizing, definitely plumped things up so there weren't any fine lines or wrinkles. And they have a good smell to them, so happy to have those. I do have a few more of these left, so I'm going to put them back on my shelf. I just wanted to be able to show you the box. I've got 3 more face masks. I liked all of these. I really did. I don't have much to complain about for sure. This was the watermelon and sweet mint face mask from the Dollar Tree. Now this one was Perlice. It's Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. Oh my goodness, I loved this one. Top of the list for sure. I am a huge fan of Perlice. This one worked wonderfully and it smelled really good. And then this one was an avocado face mask. One of my friends gave this to me and it was nice. Nothing wrong with it, no complaints, very moisturizing and brightening. I'm happy to have been able to use that one. I've got a EPL Relaxing Foot Socks. This is melatonin and lavender extract. Guys, these are amazing. I have some of these in my giveaway too. Well, they were in my 800 subscriber giveaway. I have a ton. I might put them in the 850. I don't know. But these are $1. I got them at Big Lots. And guys, they're booties with little strips of tape at the top. So you just put it around your foot, tighten it with the tape, and it's fantastic. And it works really, really well. Very moisturizing. It's like putting lotion on your feet. It's fantastic. And then I have this Dollar Tree hand mask. It's a hand and nail glove. It's nourishing, softening, and uplifting. That's what that package looks like. I did get this from a giveaway that I won from Stephanie over at Opinionated Horsewoman. Fantastic channel, guys. If you don't watch her, I'll link her down below for you so you guys can go check her out too. The only thing I don't like about these is that the serum is on the inside and the outside of the glove, so you can't do anything with your hands. You pretty much have to sit with your hands folded, or you can't touch anything with your hands because they're wet. But I mean, I just sat there and like rubbed my hands together and made sure all the serum and stuff got in really good. And when I took it off, smelled fantastic, felt fantastic. My cuticles looked better, not dry and cracked, and I mean, it was just a very moisturizing, fresh rose scent. So definitely happy to have been able to try those. Some more nose strips. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. These are the Biore nose strips. And these are the black ones that you see everybody use on TV. They just come in a wrapper like this. You put it across your nose for like 10 to 15 minutes and peel it off, and it cleanses all the pores on your nose. And when I say it cleanses, it cleanses. What else do I have? Some of this stuff I'm still using, so I don't want to review it quite yet. Oh, hey, here's an interesting one. So in one of my subscription boxes, I got this hot chocolate mix. It's called Mushroom Cacao Mix with Reishi, and it's called Chill. It's by Four Sigmatic, and this is just supposed to help you relax at the end of the day. I don't know if it helped me relax or not. I put it in with too much water. I do have another pack that I need to try, but the flavor from what I had of this was definitely not my favorite. Definitely not. And that might have been because I put it with too much water. I don't know. But yeah, it was fun to try. Fun to try. If I have fantastic, amazing results with the next one that I actually add to the correct amount of water, I will let you know for sure. But I didn't really experience any miracles or hallucinations or anything like that. Okay, this is something that I'm still using, but I'm going to be using it for a while, and I already know I am obsessed with it. This is the Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love it. Earth Harbor, I'm just a huge fan of anyways. Their products are fantastic, and all it is a vial with a dropper on top. You put like 5 droppers in your hand and run it through your hair, and it lasts all day long. It gets rid of the frizzies. It makes my hair silky and shiny, which my hair is never silky and shiny because I've always got this crazy frizz stuff going on. So this, my friends, is definitely something I would consider a miracle worker, and I highly recommend it. Next, I've got a package from Tarte. This is a plumping lip gloss. That's the color there, and the name of the color is Buff. I'll tell you what, guys, I am somewhat new to plumping lip glosses, somewhat, but enough to know that this stuff is insane. Like, it plumps your lips up so much that it takes you a second to adjust to be able to talk because your lips get so full, they almost feel like they're stiff. So definitely recommend the Tarte lip plumping lip gloss if you guys are into that kind of thing. It's got a nice shine, it's got a nice color, and it lasts for a long time. I mean, if you eat and drink, it's going to come off a little bit quicker, but it did last for several hours for me, so liked it for sure. Oh, this was cute. This was my Pili Ani. It's antioxidant rich face oil. I loved this. But look, guys, how tiny the little bottle is. Isn't that cute? I think I got this in a glossy box. And it said that this was supposed to be enough for a month. It wasn't. It maybe lasted a couple weeks for me. But look how tiny it is. Definitely moisturizing, and it has a really good smell. I'm big on smells. So, yeah. Nice, earthy, fresh smell. I don't know. I didn't do anything spectacular for my skin. Nothing that really stood out, but I don't think I got to use it long enough to really make a good judgment call as far as this one goes. And from what I remember, I think it was kind of pricey too, so I probably won't be buying it to be able to use it longer, but I did enjoy using it when I had enough to use it. And then last but not least, I've got a lip oil by Artist Couture. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Artist Couture is what I'm pretty sure it's called. And it's just a clear lip oil. Came in a little... actually, the bottle was shaped just like the box. And it was kind of a hot pink color. It had a great big fluffy doe foot. It was really nice. The only complaint I have is that my daughter Ava stole it from me. So I had to start a new one. But other than that, it had a really good smell. It kind of brought back memories. I don't know if you guys will find this as appealing as I did, but it reminded me of the pink amoxicillin we used to take, or I used to take when I was a kid, like when I had an ear infection or something. And I always loved that medicine. So to have that in my lip oil was kind of brought back some childhood memories. Not anything bad. I just remember liking taking that medicine. So yeah. So, all right, and everything else that is in here I am still using, so we will do this again maybe in another month or so. Let me check my clock. Yep, and we are right at 20 minutes and 40 seconds. So let's go ahead and take this off. Oof. Let me hang this up so it can dry. We'll go ahead and take off our mask. Woo. Feels good. Just a little bit, let it soak in. And then I'm going to rinse off the residue with these rose water face wipes that I got at probably Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Can't remember, but it should be in the haul that I just linked up above. So I think it was TJ Maxx and a Marshall's haul. I got a lot of stuff. All right, so this residue is definitely sticky. Like my hands are sticky. Let me get my face wiped off. Whew, all right. I need to wipe everything off. It is sticky. But now that I wiped it off, it feels really good. Skin definitely feels moisturized. Definitely moisturizing. All right, what do we think, friends? Am I bright and shiny and beautiful? Ta-da! How do they do that? With my little frog eyes on. Yep, Chaos Jenn's killing it today. All right, guys. I will let you go. I hope you all have a fantastic day, a fantastic week, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye.